Welcome, please enjoy this property tour. When finished you may contact Dave Wiley for more details and appointment to preview. Located in desirable Cudjoe Gardens community and boasting extra room here for family and guests, with 3 bedrooms and 3 ensuite bathrooms. Vaulted ceilings accentuate the open concept floor plan living space plus concrete step-down dock and 2 boat lifts at 14,000 and 5,000 capacity. This canal system affords deep boating access and quick access to both Atlantic and Gulf fishing grounds. All your lobster spots nearby.